Welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Captain. In this video I am going to tell you how you can send fake location on WhatsApp to any contact. So let's start the video. First you have to open settings in your iPhone, then scroll down and open WhatsApp. Now go to the location services on the top. And now here turn off this precise location option. After turning off this option, apps can only determine your approximate location. Now leave settings app and open WhatsApp. Here send location to any of your contacts. As you can see, WhatsApp is not sending exact location, and now you can select location on your will on the map. The contact you are sending this location thinks that this is your current location, but your location is different from that one. So by this trick you can send fake location to any person on WhatsApp. That's it for the video. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Captain, and I will see you in the next one.